So as far as the different regenerative shockwave technologies, just so that you have a little bit idea of how that compares, the technology that we have is from Storz Medical, a very high level technology, and they're have extensive customization, which is very comprehensive and very high quality. And I did a lot of research before I chose this specific technology in this company to make sure that it was going to be really successful. So the energy level is another versatility. So this technology provides both high and low energy options, and it allows us to have a broader range of applications. So since so many people have various issues, musculoskeletal wise, this can cover all of the issues that you have. And then the precision that this technology has is also important. It's calibrated for consistency and accuracy, and it helps to reduce the number of sessions that you may need compared to one that wasn't as high quality. And then the validation and research, this company is the pioneer in the field. They've had very robust evidence supporting the effectiveness of their devices. And some companies that have been on the bandwagon of copying them, they don't necessarily have all the research to vet their equipment. Sometimes they use this company's technology but it doesn't necessarily prove their device technologies.